Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to pay Netflix with Google Pay. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to pay for your Netflix subscription with Google Pay, the best method is to add Google Pay as a payment method through the Netflix account management page. So this is typically done by logging in into your Netflix account, navigating to Manage Payment Information section. So once you have selected a subscription plan by your management section, you can hit the next button. Once you have tapped on the next button as well, you can simply find the option called Select Your UPI app. So for this, you can simply select the UPI app, and once you tap on it, you will get a drop-down menu bar with different kind of apps that support your UPI. So there you can find the option called Google Pay. Once you've selected Google Pay, your now payment app will be Google Pay. So this is how you can simply pay Netflix with your Google Pay app. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.